We left Spearfish and we're going to Billings, Montana, and we're going to stay at a harvest host called Canyon Creek Brewing, Wyoming. Where is this place here?
Silo underground.
They got cameras watching it. Montana. I'm Mike.
I'm Leanne.
I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
And we are
The
Four Nomads.
On our way to a trip of a lifetime. We're headed to Alaska. Follow
Alaska
us.
or bust.
Watch us. We'll try to put up some videos as we go. Coming into Montana.
So I think this is the Northern Cheyenne Indian Reservation we're coming through. And they got a road named Custer. Well, I guess because they killed all who live here, though.
Well, you probably can't because you're not an Indian.
That's true.
That's Custer National Forest right there. It says the ranger station.
38.
You see all of these trees up here are dead, but they look like they've been burned already.
They look like they've been burned.
Yeah, they're definitely burned.
We're almost at 4,000 feet. 4,100. We got a steep grade right here. The rocks on the side are pretty, aren't they?
Yeah.
Got a fuel mileage we're getting. 2.2 miles a gallon. We're going 40 miles an hour.
Continue straight for 40 minutes to I-90 West.
Take us a little bit to get up this hill.
Oh, golly, you got another crack.
You see it?
Yep.
Up there.
Yep.
Whoa!
Well, we got another crack in the windshield.
No way.
Oh, yeah, that truck slammed a good one up there.
Really?
Yeah, it's probably, 2 feet above the original one that started the journey back in Dandridge.
Well, looks like we'll be doing some windshield repair tonight.
I'm thinking we will. I don't see it spreading yet, fingers crossed.
Looks like it might be going
Wow,
north on us,
that's crazy.
so.
That truck was flying.
I know.
Continue straight for 25 minutes to I-90 West.
It's gonna be all beat up.
They who was it? Took their RV and came back and it was just on rags. Held, just hold together in duct tape.
Yeah. The stone up on the road and picked it up with a wheel. Or it could have come
We're going to leave the Northern Cheyenne Indian Reservation and we're going to go into the Crow Indian Reservation.
All right. Well, I don't know who I like better, the Crow or the Cheyenne.
Custer's last camp.
They have bags of clothes and
Yeah.
trash.
Yeah.
I'll just throw it out there. We'll take it to the dump one day. And one day never came. Kind of like that bar. Free drinks tomorrow. Take the trash tomorrow.
This part doesn't look any different, does it?
No.
Take the ramp on the right to I-90 west toward Billings.
Man, come right on the interstate with that one. Which one do we need for the fuel?
495.
So that's 15 miles.
Yeah.
Yes,
I'm guessing where that RV is. Don't you?
let's try. We left Billings, Montana, and headed for Vaughn, Montana. Our next harvest host is Big Sky Deli and Bakery.
Yeah, I just said I'm not enjoying this at all. I feel like we're just going to fall off.
Oh, wait a minute, they're falling off.
Well, they have rock slides. Why isn't this going to rock slide down there?
3.
That was confusing.
Yeah. Oh, that is 3. Maybe we want a different 3.
That's
Oh,
what?
yeah, that was 3 going the wrong way. We want 3 going this way.
Look at this arch right there.
I wonder if you were standing under that thing and the blade came down, could you feel the wind that it makes?
I don't know, maybe. I would think so.
You don't?
I would. But they don't turn very fast, I don't think. What's this sign say here?
Energy.
There's one moving over there on the right side.
Because what else are you gonna do? Hey, you could stay back and work.
Yeah.
That's the
Driveway back here.
yes. Close to the pavilion or away. It doesn't matter. I say you go and park closer to that fence.
Yeah, actually, Glenn, tell them that Glenn, they need to park on our right side or behind us, so they don't
Right
hear our
side.
generator. I mean,
Hey, if y'all park on our right side or behind us, you probably won't hear our generator. So if they want to go,
Okay, we didn't hear it last night anyway.
what about the heater, the furnace?
what about the furnace?
I don't think, I don't know if we heard it or not, but I mean, it certainly was not intrusive at all.
Okay, well then we'll just pull in close to this fence and y'all pull in beside us.
Good morning from Vaughn, Montana. We are at the Big Sky Deli and Bakery here in Vaughn, and this is the Harvest Host. So we're here. There's Dawn and Glenn back there. So this is where you park for this Harvest Host. It's really nice. You can drive around the building. You don't even have to disconnect your Toad. So they have a pavilion here with some tables, and of course they're like a restaurant. Well, they sell all this stuff too. This furniture, they sell it. You'll see as we get closer to the inside of the building. Playgrounds for the kids. Big Sky Deli. Baked goods, sandwiches, soups, bulk food, and ice cream. And they have a farmer's market here. They're looking for a full-time baker. Check-in counter where you come in and check in with the attendant there for the Harvest Host. All kind of dried vegetables, beans, and things. Nuts, granola, popcorn, seasonings, all kinds of seasonings. Breads, freshly baked breads. Ground beef, pizzas, ice cream. So this is what the bakery looks like here. Ice cream. The lunch menu is you can build your own sandwich. And they have these little forms that you fill out for a sandwich. It's a sandwich form. You can have a pulled pork sandwich, peanut butter and jelly, grilled cheese. And then I had the breakfast burrito this morning, which was really good. Leanne, like I said, had the sausage and gravy. So that's it. And Leanne got some fresh eggs, some ground beef, and dried vegetables. So we left Vaughn, Montana, and headed to Columbia Falls, Montana, for the beginning of almost 2 weeks visiting the West Glacier National Park area. We enjoyed our time with the Big Sky Deli. We met the owner, and she was as nice as could be. She loves the Harvest Host. It's been good for their business, and it's good for people that use Harvest Host to come there and stay overnight. It's a great place, big, plenty of room to drive around the building, and highly recommend this Harvest Host to anybody that's in this area.